What's going on, motorcycle family? It's time for another video. I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving, y'all. I started a video about 3 days ago, and unfortunately, while I was filming, my GoPro mount that I ordered off of Amazon that wraps around the front of it was starting to fall off. Luckily, I was sitting at a red light when it happened, so I was able to catch it and stuff it in my pockets. Glad I was wearing a jacket where I was able to kind of put that in there. That could have been bad. So note to self, if you order something through Amazon, that kit I ordered, if you look at a couple of videos ago, you'll see the kit I ordered. The kit's great. However, the mount where it mounts to your helmet, I used the curve mount, and the curve mount, the adhesive wasn't really that sticky. It was real soft, and I should have known better before I actually put it on there, but it lasted for like a week, and then it started giving me some heck. Hopefully you're going to be able to hear me better today. I ordered a new Scully, and it's got my chin, my neck, and everything kind of covered up. So hopefully the audio quality will be pretty good. We shall see. We're doing a little quick ride to work this morning. I was up super early, had to take my boy to school, and there was frost all over the windows. It was like 30 degrees. I said, man, I hope it warms up a little bit before I get to go into work. So I'm leaving the house right now, and it's getting close to 40 degrees, but it's still pretty nippy, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. But the good news is I'm layered pretty good. I got a long sleeve shirt, leather vest, and of course this insulated motorcycle jacket, so my core's pretty warm. And I have the neck Scully, which I ordered from RevZilla.com. I'll see if I can put a link in the description for the Scully that I'm wearing. It's really nice. It covers the chin, nose, all that good stuff, goes all the way down and tucks inside your jacket. It's very lightweight, very thin material, but it really does a good job blocking that airflow. So I was just using a regular bandana around my neck, which was not cutting it. Now I do have some actual winter riding gloves. These are some leather winter gloves. They're not the warmest, but they do get the job done. I ordered some fly racing ones through RevZilla, and those cover up over my sleeves a little bit, so it really gets all the air from going into your jacket. Very impressed by those gloves. But whenever I'm doing my moto vlogging, they're so thick they haven't broke in really well, so it's really hard for me to get my fingers on the GoPro buttons to do that recording. So they're slowly starting to get broken into. I haven't worn them a whole lot yet, but they do work very well as far as keeping the air out. I mean, I'm gonna ride, y'all. I had some guys like, man, you're still riding? You put your bike up for the winter? I was like, no, I haven't done that yet. You know, I can ride in the 40-degree weather, and I'm cool with that. As long as I can keep my core warm, I'm okay. Now, I am gonna be investing into me some chaps here soon for the legs when I go out on some longer distant rides. That'll come in handy. But I'm all right. But it's a little cool this morning. Well, at least the sun's out. Could be a lot worse. Oh yeah! Man, I love this thing. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, welcome. Yo, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Smash that like button. On this channel, we do a lot of motorcycle content, a lot of moto vlogging. I do some other stuff from time to time as well. But here lately, it's been mostly about motorcycles. But regardless, I said it before and I will say it again. We're taking this channel 1 mile at a time. If y'all don't have 2 wheels, y'all need to get yourself some. It is like no other. All these cars rolling around here in their heat. This right here is pure freedom. It can be a little cool, but you know what? I always say it don't matter what the temperature is. Any day on 2 wheels is a good day. So, I've heard some rumors about Harley Davidson. They're doing some changes in Q4. They're trying to restructure their stuff. I'm a little worried. I don't think that, you know, they're going to go out of business, but I do know that their motorcycle sales have plummeted tremendously in the last years. But we're going to have to keep a monitor on that. I'm looking at buying a bike one day in the near future. I'd like to get a new Harley Davidson. I'm not sure the model just yet, but I'm looking at a few. But y'all know it when I get it, because I'm sure as heck gonna review it. Woo, buddy! These gloves are not bad, but if you do too much wrist action there, and it gets some wind up in them, up in these sleeves here, it's a little bit nippy. But yeah, I'll post the video somewhere in here of the new setup, the way I got it mounted. I'm going to tell you this. So, I had my mount on the left side of my helmet, and it got in the way of me lifting my sun visor and the regular windshield up and down off my helmet with my left hand. And that's normally what I do is the left hand, because you know you're working the throttle and the brake with the right. So for all you newbie riders, don't forget it is easier when you mount your GoPro system. If you don't mount it on the right side, you need to mount it on the right side, because it is a pain. You don't have enough room, especially if you're riding during the wintertime and you got some thick gloves. It is not fun. But anyway, y'all, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Like I said, I hope y'all had an awesome Thanksgiving. We're gonna do some more rides here soon. It's getting closer to the holidays, to the Christmas time. I'm excited. We're gonna have some new content going up here very soon, but y'all stay tuned. And like again I said, appreciate all the subscribers, all the support, y'all. It really helps out when y'all subscribe and share and like these videos. But there it is, y'all. Until the next video, peace. Yahoo! So this is the way it's set up now. I have plenty enough room in there to actually get my hands in there and get that visor lifted and shut, and the chin vent I can open and close much easier now. So that's definitely the way to set it up there for your GoPro. Like I said, the mounting hardware is fine. It's just the actual mount itself. Yeah. If you order that kit through Amazon, do not buy that actual mount there. Okay? Get you one that comes from GoPro, or get you some better adhesive. Yep.